Hello art snack friends, today we're going to be drawing a piece of toast. Let's get started. We're going to draw two eyes first, just like always. There's one eye on the left, there's the second eye on the left, and a cute little smile in between. So adorable. This is going to be so easy. You're going to draw a rainbow right across like that. And then you're gonna round out that line. Just make it go inside a little bit on both sides. Then you're gonna draw two lines down, one on this side, and then a line down on the other side. Then you're gonna connect those two lines on the bottom, and it's almost done. Can you believe it? Such a fast drawing today. You're gonna follow that line on the top and draw a big rainbow all around. Try to do your best to stick to the first line you drew and just keep going all around, just copying that line that you already drew and trace all around. And that's it. I hope you color in your piece of toast and add jam and butter, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Let me know what you want to draw next.